To begin copy trading, start by opening the App Store on your device. Once the App Store is open, you'll see various sections, including Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, and a Search button. Click on the Search button, which will take you to a search bar where you can type in Bitget. After typing in Bitget, you'll see two options: Bitget by Bitcoin in crypto and Bitget Wallet or XBitKeep. Select one of these options and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, exit the App Store and locate the newly installed app on your device. Open the Bitget app and navigate to the top left corner, where you'll find the user or profile options. Click on this and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll see various options, including Markets, Trade, and Copy. The Copy option is typically denoted with red letters and is located on the left side of the screen. Click on Copy and you'll be prompted to complete the identification process, which involves verifying your account through identity verification. Once you've verified your account, you can proceed with copy trading. If you need help or find this information useful, consider exploring additional resources. After completing the setup process, you'll be able to use the copy trading feature